during your birthday, I think. We had taken one, if you remember.
When they were small
like this. But both of them were sleeping.
Okay, I don't remember that.
Look at this. Look at her eyes. Dia's eyes.
Yes, her eyes are always like that.
Good job. Hi.
She's looking at you and she's looking at me.
Good
Nora will smile.
What do you call Dia? You?
Anything.
Moluti.
Appave, Takrikata. Hi, ma'am. Hi, good ma'am. Hi, Mami. Nora ചിരിക്കുന്നു. നമ്മള് ചിരി മാസ്റ്റർ അല്ലേടാ. ചിലപ്പോ തൂക്കപ്പോ തന്റെ ഒരു ചായ കേട്ടോ. ശരിയാ.
Except for the nose.